Hi everyone, in this video I will guide student parents about how to see their sign progress in the ClassDojo if the teacher have assigned them in the class group. So this is the interface, main interface of ClassDojo. So if you don't have any account, just sign up, and if you have, just log in and click parents account and just log in with your email that have been linked with the ClassDojo. Put the email and password and click login. And if you can see in the screen, this is the interface of ClassDojo parents features. So you can click on the Haziq stories. This is your son progress in the class that you can see every day. You can see the progress of the class and the point or feedback that have been given by their teacher. You can see in this week, last week, or last 2 week progress. The progress is positive, neutral, or your son need work. So you can give your son advice based on their progress. You also can message with the educators or instructor of your son class, and you can communicate about their progress in class and their progress in learning. And I think that's all from me about the features that have been provided for the parents in the ClassDojo. I hope it will help you. Thank you.